Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty is going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels to look out for, as well as for in Nifty. So the day was quite difficult, but we were able to get decent amount of profits. So if you want to know what kind of profits that we have made, please join the Telegram link that is there in the description below. You will have the data for the last 7 months to whatever live trading we have done so far and what has been our progress in that particular group as well. And without further ado, let's look at what's exactly happening with the markets. Now, firstly, I want to let you know in the global markets, there was a steep sell-off. DAX was somewhere around 1.5% down. And, even Dow at a particular point was more than 0.5% down. But somehow a few things were managed over here. But in the morning, we were on the CE side. We tried to go ahead and take it, but then we found out the resistance is too heavy. And then we went into the PE side. We booked a decent profit, but then the market fell down. So we were already done for the day somewhere around 11:30 or 11. But after that, we did not look at the market and nothing major was done over here. But however, let me just quickly follow up with the level that I had given to you yesterday. Now, the yesterday's level was somewhere around 4,160 in Apollo Hospital, which actually, went by, hit the target of 4,189 and then reversed quickly. So I don't think much of you might have been able to make money in this particular breakout, but this momentum did not sustain. But however, this stock will be under a radar once again. If it grows above 4,160, we can still buy. And the biggest reason for Nifty's fall today was Dr. Reddy. It's fallen somewhere around 10%, so it is more than 10.5% down. But however, remember, these levels and the bottoms and the highs that are actually created in these stocks will be a very crucial piece. So if tomorrow, if Dr. Reddy goes below 4,782, then you can quickly expect a target of somewhere around 2%. That is going to be over here, I would say, on a random basis of somewhere around 4,600. So these can be a key important stocks for you tomorrow. But however, let us look at the big giant as to what it has been doing so far. Like I told you, that if it is coming down below, there has to be a no trading zone under this area, and Nifty is still maintaining its range between 15,900 to somewhere around 15,700. So tomorrow, the biggest and the most critical piece would be how will the price react when it comes to 15,700. So tomorrow, if we happen to have a breach of 15,700, we can definitely expect a target of somewhere around 15,632. So these many points are going to be instantly achieved in a few 15-minute candles. So look out for this level tomorrow. If we breach 15,700, put a small stop loss of 20 to 30 points, and then you can look for a decent amount of targets. And if we want to look on an upside, I think I would not be interested in upside until unless 15,779 is being broken by Nifty once again, because remember that this area which it broke as a support will act as a resistance. So this area of somewhere around 15,771 and 15,780 will be a crucial zone where it can just hit once again and come down. But if it is sustaining about this level, then we can have a decent amount of targets over there. And in terms of Bank Nifty has also created a similar kind of a scenario. But if you notice with Bank Nifty, there is a small little trend line that is coming over here. So it is taking a support on this particular line and trying to bounce off. But however, the biggest and the most crucial level that we need to keep in mind is that this particular level of 34,700 and 15 to 700. If this particular level is being broken, then we can have a decent amount of target over here. We can have a quick scalp of 77 points at 35,641. And if you want to extend it, and if it is still bearish, it might even go with the flow of another 300 points at 34,406. At this moment, I don't see a lot of strength in the banks at this moment. But however, HDFC and ICICI Bank have actually holded the ground. But there is highly likely a possibility that these guys would not be able to sustain, a huge sell-off which can come in Bank Nifty once the 34,700 is being breached. But however, if you still see this particular trend line being respected, then what I want you to do is just go ahead and mark yourself at 35,100, and that would only be achieved if once again this particular level of 34,900 is being taken out. Remember, so this is having a similar pattern that I told you. So this was a support. Now it will act as a resistance. So between 34,900 till 34,951, I would request you to be very, very cautious. But once that particular breach has been taken out, then we can have a decent amount of target from here for another 200 points. So these are the levels for tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video. And to subscribe to our live trading services, please visit www.rltrgroup.com. And there is also a very important poll that is going on a Telegram channel. Please visit our Telegram channel and participate on that. I'll look forward to see you once again on a video tomorrow. Take care. Love you all. Goodbye for now.